Good morning, children. Today we are going to see some more problems based on the given information. In the last class we discussed about the ray diagrams, how to draw the ray diagrams based on the given information without doing problem. Today we are going to see the problems and as well as ray diagrams by doing problem and as well as ray diagrams. Okay, so for that, an object is placed at center of curvature. An object is placed at a center of curvature of a concave mirror. Focal length 10 centimeter. Find the image distance and draw the ray diagram. An object is placed at center of curvature of a concave mirror. Focal length 10 centimeter. The given focal length and also the given hint, that is object is placed at center of curvature. So based on the relation of focal length and center of curvature, we need to find the object distance. So the focal length the given here as per according to the sign convention. First we will write the sign. Focal length of concave mirror is 10 centimeter. So based on a radius of curvature r is equal to 2f. So that is 2 into 10. 2 into 10 is equal to 20 centimeter. So the radius of curvature is 20 centimeter. So according to sign convention, according to sign conventions of concave mirror, according to sign convention of concave mirror, f is negative. So f is equal to minus 10 centimeter and object distance, that is what here as per the given data the object is placed at center of curvature. The center of curvature is what? 20 centimeter. So u is minus, according to sign convention it is minus. So minus 20 centimeter. Then what we have to find? Find the image distance. We have to find image distance. Okay children, so it is the given data. According to the given data, the object is placed at center of curvature, we need to find, and also the given the focal length. So based on the given focal length we find that the object distance. So that is what? Object distance is minus 20 centimeter, focal length is minus 10 centimeter. Now we are going to find the image distance by using the mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Okay, so now substitute the given data in the formula. That is what? 1 by minus 10 is equal to 1 by minus 20 plus 1 by v. Okay, here f is minus 10, u is minus 20 and v is as it is. Now 1 by minus 10, if you transfer this term to left side then it become positive. So plus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by v. If we do the LCM of 10 and 20, we will get 20 as a LCM, then we will get minus 1 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 by v. Then what will get? Minus 2 plus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by v. Minus 2 plus 1 will get minus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by V. So from this V is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Okay, V is equal to what? Minus 20 centimeter. So according to the given data, the object is placed at a 20 centimeter, and also we got the image distance also 20 centimeter only. So based on the ray diagrams, now we have one more question, that is draw the ray diagram. How can we draw the ray diagram? We know focal length, and also we know the object distance, and we know the image distance. So based on this data, we can draw the ray diagram. So let me draw the ray diagram. So it is a concave mirror, pole, focus, and center of curvature. So according to the given data, the object is placed at center of curvature and its distance is what? 20 centimeter. So it is 20 centimeter. The object distance is 20 centimeter. Either it is at object distance, and also we got the image is also 20 centimeter. So let me take some of the rules to draw the ray diagrams. We will consider some rules. In that, first one is parallel to principal axis, which passes through focus, and the next rule is passing through focus which gets parallel to principal axis. So based on this, we'll get the image at C itself. Which type of image is it? Here this image is real image, because the image is formed below the principal axis. Image is real, and as well as what? It is inverted image and same size. Which type of image is it? It is the same size. Image is real, inverted, and as well as same size. Okay children, see here we did the problem based on the given information. The object is placed at center of curvature, and also we got the image is also center of curvature only. So based on that, we written the characteristics of that image also. The image is real, inverted, and same size, and the image is at C. Where does the image is formed? Image is at C. Okay, now we are going to see the next problem.